Namaste students. Dear students, we have read 3 chapters. हम लोग 3 chapters पढ़ चुके हैं. हिस्ट्री से एक चैप्टर, सिविक्स से और ज्योग्राफी, प्रत्येक से एक चैप्टर we have completed. And from today I am going to explain the answer of the questions. First of all, I will explain the questions of geography, and after seeing this video you will write the answer of these questions in your fair copy and remember them. Dear student, without wasting our time, now I am going to explain the first question, and the first question of exercise D. Students, I will not describe about the exercise ABC. ABC you will do it to yourself. I will explain exercise number D. मैं एक्सरसाइज डी से एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नेम द मेजर कंपोनेंट ऑफ एनवायरमेंट. When I was teaching you at that time, I had explained that what are the main components of environment. There were 2 components of environment, that is the physical environment and next is the biological environment. Physical environment contain all non-living things and biological environment contain all living things. Dear student, now we will see the second question. What is meant by Sima and Sial? Dear student, Sial is the uppermost part of the lithosphere. Lithosphere का सबसे ऊपरी वाला भाग होता है. And this Sial is mainly rich in rocks that are silica and aluminium. Si, that means silica, and Al means aluminium. And below the Sial there is a layer that is known as Sima, and Sima is rich in silica and magnesium. Si, that means silica, or Ma, that means magnesium. I have also explained it that the innermost part of the earth is known as Nephi, and that is rich in nickel and ferrous. Dear student, now we will see the third question, and third question is mention the distribution of water in the northern and the southern hemisphere. Northern and southern hemisphere में water का distribution क्या है? When I was teaching then I had explained the most part of the water is found in the southern part, that is near about 57%, and the remaining water found in northern hemisphere, and that is near about 43%. It means that distribution is in the ratio of 47 and 57. Sorry, 43 and 57. It means 43% water is in northern hemisphere and 57% water is in southern hemisphere. Next question is give the literal meaning of 4 sphere of environment. Environment के जो 4 sphere हैं उनका literal meaning बताना है, शाब्दिक अर्थ बताना है. तो there are 4 sphere of the environment, and that is the lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. The literal meaning of lithosphere is a sphere of rock. The literal meaning of atmosphere is a sphere of air. The literal meaning of hydrosphere is a sphere of water, and the literal meaning of biosphere is a sphere of life. Dear student, thus the last question of exercise D is what is the atmosphere composed of? Composed of किससे मिलके बना हमारा atmosphere है, किससे मिलके बना हुआ है? The atmosphere is composed of a mixture of gases which work as an envelope around the earth. यह हमारा वातावरण जो है विभिन्न प्रकार की गैसों से मिलकर बना हुआ है, और ये गैसेस क्या करती हैं? दे वर्क एज एन एनवलप, यह एक लिफाफे के जैसे काम करती हैं जो अर्थ को चारों ओर से ढका हुआ है. जैसे जो एनवलप होता है वो भी क्या करता है, लेटर को अपने चारों ओर से लेटर को क्या करता है, ढक लेता है। ठीक ऐसे ही एयर है, इट इज आल्सो वर्क एज एनवलप एंड कवर्ड अराउंड द अर्थ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन we will see exercise E. Exercise E, first question is differentiate between physical and biological environment. Just I have explained that physical environment are the in physical environment included all non-living things and biological environment included all living things. This is the first difference. Next difference will be their example. Physical environment like all non-living things just like land, water, air, and biological environment that means for living things as like human beings, plants, animal. This is the difference. It means physical environment is the composition of all non-living things, but biological environment is the composition of all living things. अब इसमें जैसे ही एग्जाम्पल लिखेंगे डिफरेंस जो होगा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाई इज अर्थ कॉल्ड द ब्लू प्लैनेट। दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। Why is Earth called the blue planet? Earth को blue planet नीला ग्रह क्यों कहा जाता है? Answer is very simple. Earth is known as blue planet because abundance part of water is found on the Earth's surface. You can express the answer of this question in many ways as you like, but only one reason before blue planet, and that is the amount of water, huge amount of water. Next question is define biosphere. Why is important for us? Biosphere क्या है और why is it important for us? वो हमारे लिए important भी क्यों है? Biosphere, just I have explained that biosphere is the sphere of life. Biosphere एक ऐसा sphere होता है जहाँ पे life संभव है. Biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between all three spheres of environment where all kind of life exist. So it is very important for us. Biosphere, it is the sphere of life and it is the composition of all three spheres, hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere. So life is possible here. Thus it is important for us. Next question is explain with the help of an example how physical and biological component or environment are interdependent. In when I was teaching, then I had explained it with the help of example. Once again listen, biological component and physical component both are interdependent. Really, both are interdependent because if physical environment will change, then automatically the biological environment will be changed. Or when biological environment will change in themselves, देन ऑटोमेटिकली फिजिकल इन्वायरमेंट विल चेंज। अगर हम चाहे फिजिकल इन्वायरमेंट में चेंज करेंगे तो बायोलॉजिकल इन्वायरमेंट चेंज हो जाएगा, अगर बायोलॉजिकल इन्वायरमेंट में चेंजिंग लाते हैं तो फिजिकल इन्वायरमेंट चेंज हो जाएगा। रिमेंबर इट दैट दिस चेंजिंग आर टू टाइप्स, सडन चेंजिंग एंड ग्रेजुअल चेंजिंग। इसमें भी दो प्रकार की चेंजिंग होती है। कुछ चेंजिंग्स होते हैं जिसको सडन चेंजिंग बोला जाता है, बट सम आर द चेंजिंग दैट आर नोन एज gradual changing. As example, I have explained that soil formation. Soil formation is a very slow process. When soil become fertile, automatically some people or the group of people go there and settle there. This is the gradual changes. When physically changing or happen, then automatically some people and biological part are going there and settle there. Next example में भी sudden change, sudden change कुछ suddenly changing होते हैं. As example, natural phenomena like earthquake. When earthquake come, many of the houses drop down and disturbed and destroy. After that, the people who live in that house change their places, then what we are seeing, it is clear that when physical components will change, a physical environment will change, then automatically biological environment will change. Thus we can say that both are interdependent on each other. Dear student, next question and last question is, explain two way in which human being are disturbing the natural environment. कोई दो ऐसे तरीके बताइए जैसे लगता हो कि human beings are disturbing the environment. There are the many way by which human beings are disturbing the natural environment, just like forest deforestation. Deforestation is a very simple process and popular process by which man is destroying the environment because he cutting the forest, and so our environment become disturbed. Next is uh, burning of plastic. Sometimes man you burn the plastic and this disturb the atmosphere, and when atmosphere disturb, then it disturb the natural environment. These are the two examples. Dear student, I will explain in this video only geography, and in the next video I will explain about history and after that civics. Dear student, thus we have completed all the questions, and after that I will explain the question answer of history and civics. As a homework, you will listen the video and write the question answer in your fair copy and remember them, because after completion of these three chapters I will ask to you question answer through WhatsApp. Thank you.